So this time I thought I'd tell you guys about one of my personal favorite paint tools, which is called the Handy Paint Pail. It's not super big, so when you pour your paint in, it doesn't get really heavy. But the nice thing is it has an adjustable strap, so for smaller hands or big hands, you have a lot of security there with the strap when you are up on a ladder cutting in, or when you're in a corner cutting in, as opposed to just holding a little cup. The other thing I love about it is the little magnet that it has in there. So if I need to take a quick break from doing something, my paintbrush is not going to go all the way down into the paint. It secures it with the magnet right there. The other thing that's awesome is it comes with disposable liners. So you can take a liner, put it in. I'm cutting in trim paint. I use a liner for that. Once I'm done with the trim paint, I can take that liner out. I can let the paint dry. I can still reuse that liner if I want to, but I can grab another liner, put it in, and move on to painting walls or painting a ceiling. It also comes with some disposable covers. So if I'm not going to paint, or I need to cut in later on once it's dry and I know I'm going to have to put on a second coat, I can put that on so that the paint doesn't start to dry in the container. It also comes in larger sizes, so if I have a 4.5 inch or a 6.5 inch, still have the secure strap, but I can put this in here and use this grid if I'm cutting in a bathroom, or I've got smaller areas on walls where I'm not going to use a 9-inch roller cover, but I need something that's a little bit thinner. I can put the paint in there. It still has a magnet for my brush, or I can roll. We also have the handy craft tray. So if you're somebody who likes to paint little craft projects, this is great for a small 4-inch cover. You can just put your roller right in there and paint your furniture or whatever craft project you have. But the Handy Paint Pail, totally one of the best paint tools in my opinion.